Hey guys, welcome back to Gamer Cooking. Today I'll show you how to make some pizza calzones. Let's get started. So, preheat the oven to 425. So this recipe is similar to the pizza I recently did. You make the same dough and you can either check out the video on how I did the pizza to find out how to make this dough and let it rise for a day after you make it. Or you could also buy dough from a grocery store. So you want to knead it and get some flour on the cutting board to do that, or else it'll stick. So you want to roll the dough into 3 equal balls for 3 servings. So now, roll each ball into a circle, and then you'll fill that with the fillings. So then you get some pizza sauce, and you spread it on half of the dough, and you will use about from a cup to 2 cups in total. So, depends on how much sauce you like. And you can make different amount of empanadas with different amounts of sauce. You also want to shred some cheese, mozzarella cheese. So then sprinkle some cheese on top of the sauce so you can make 33% more of the calzone. Then put some pepperoni on calzones. And this is just baked pepperonis cut into smaller pieces so they could fit. And this is just 3 of them. So if you use smaller ones, I would use 6 pepperonis. Cut them in halves maybe. Then to close them, bring the other side of the calzone up and then just sort of tuck them in together and get them to stick together. So then put the calzones in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. So then take them out of the oven, put them on plates. You can even have room for salad. Alright, now another review with him tonight. So you can cut it in half so that you can let the heat out. It's not super hot. Yeah, these are the calzones de pizza.
Nice. Ah. Super hot.
Is it good? Yeah. Sublime.
Sublime. Perfectly cooked. The crust is well done, and it's soft, so I like that, and it's thick enough for my liking. The top is crusty. The inside is soft and spongy, which I enjoy.
So flavorful.
And it's really flavorful. Pepperoni, cheese. It looks like smoked Gouda in there.
It's mozzarella.
Oh, sorry, it's the shade. Oh, it's mozzarella, yeah. Yeah, I don't taste the smoke, you're right. But it looked yellow. I thought it was a smoked Gouda. That's flavorful, thank you.
This was a good recipe. So I hope you guys tried it out and enjoyed it. So like and subscribe, check out my future content, and we'll see you in the next video.